So how can you remove the word suggestions on Android? So let me explain it and show you how you can turn it off. If you are new here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Okay, so it depends on which keyboard you are using. For example, on my Samsung phone, when I go to the settings app and just look up the keyboards in a general, I have the ability to pick from two currently. So when I go over into the settings app and go to the keyboards section, I have the ability to pick the one I currently use. As you can see, in my case, I actually have like the more options are available, right? Because I can pick the default one. I can have the Samsung keyboard, as well as the Swift key is here, as well as the Gboard. So each of them have their own settings. For example, if I go to the Samsung keyboard, you can see that I have the ability to turn on the predictive text, which are basically the word suggestion. So if you plan on using the Samsung keyboard, then you can turn it off right here. And basically, that's how it's going to behave from now on. There are also other things like the auto replace and suggest text connection corrections, right? So that is another thing which you might want to remove. So if you turn off the whole thing, then it's part of the smart typing. So if you turn it off, right, then you don't need to worry about anything. But obviously, there are more settings to change in here. However, if your default keyboard is going to be, for example, the Gboard, in this case, well, you can manage the settings differently. If you go to the Gboard settings, you can see that there are other things which you can customize, and basically decided that the app or typing is going to behave differently. So as I say, it depends on your choice, and you can decide if you get the predictions or suggested words or not, and on which keyboard. So that is how it would basically work. I hope I was able to explain that to you. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe so you don't miss the next videos and guides like this, and I'll see you later.